Okay, friends, today we're going to work on subtracting. We're going to use this worksheet, a subtraction worksheet, so find it and follow along. You're going to be using this worksheet to solve the rest of the math worksheet problems. So it's going to be doing whole tens, two-digit numbers. Get ready, get your abacus. Go ahead and set it up. The first math problem is 70 minus 40. And we're going to use counting method, okay? So go ahead and try and solve it out, and hit pause and try and do it. Okay, so I have set 70 already on my abacus, and I need to subtract 40. Okay, so in order to do that, I have to go to my tens, and I need to subtract 40. So I'm going to start with my tens, and I'm going to say 10, 20, don't forget that heaven bead, 20, 30, and don't forget to set that 40, 30, 40. Your answer should be 30. Please, if you got it right, go ahead and braille it out. Use your brailler if you're doing Nemeth. Go ahead and do that now. Don't forget your equal sign and all of that good stuff. And get ready for the next math problem. Okay, so your next math problem is going to be 48 minus 30 equals, go ahead and braille that out and press pause so you can solve this next math problem. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to set 48. So I have 48 and I need to subtract 30. So some of my friends, what they've been doing is they start on the ones and start counting by ones until they get to 30. And that's what I do not want you to do. So if we know we need to subtract 30, which is 10 digits, just go to the tens digit. We're not going to start in the ones, and we're going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30. Bam, and I'm done. 3 easy steps. My answer should be 18. Is that what you got? If not, go back and watch it again. Okay, we're doing really, really well. So let's move on to another math problem. So our next one is going to be 91 minus 50 equals, go ahead and braille that out and hit pause because I want you to solve it before looking at the answer or looking at how I resolved the math problem, okay? So go ahead and hit pause. And here we go. Okay, guys, so you've solved it. Let's see what I get. So we have 91. I have 91. I set that up. And I'm going to subtract 50, okay? So I know that 50 is in my 10th spot. And I can either go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Don't forget to put those back. And my answer is 41. That's what I got. 41. Let me show you a quick, easier way to do this. And I know it's a little bit about the secret method, but that's okay. Because, do you remember your heaven beads? They're worth 5. So when I have 91 and I need to subtract, what did they say? 50? So on my ones bead, or my heaven bead here, this is worth 5. And my tens bead, this is worth 50. My 100 bead, this is worth 500, and so forth and so on. So these are all 5s, okay? So when it tells me subtract 50, I know that if I just clear this one, it represents 50. So I'm done. It's just one easy step to clear, and that was my 50. Because this is 5, this is worth 50, so it says minus 50, so bam, clear that 50, and my answer is 41. Do you see that? Practice that one a few times. That's a little tricky, but whenever you see a 5 or a 50 or a 500, you do not have to count one by one. All those steps, you can eliminate those steps, and you can just one step and it will clear what you need, and your answer is there, 41. but only if it's like 5, 50, 500, 5,000, only those, okay? So go ahead and clear your abacus. Let's do one last one. Okay, your next one, it's a little slanted, but I think you can see it. Your next one is 85. So go ahead and braille that. 85 minus 20 equals, go ahead and hit pause. Okay, so here we go. Let's solve it. 85 minus 20. 85 minus 20. So I have my 85. And I need to subtract 20. Oh, Annabelle, you gave them an easy one. Do I start in my ones, guys? No, no, no. We know it's 20, so it's tens. So I go 10, 20. And that is it, my friends. Your answer should be 65. 65. Okay, so what I want you to do is continue working on this same worksheet. Complete the math problems, and hopefully this helps you figure things out. Thank you for watching. We'll see you later. Bye.